Hi there, today we are changing a kitchen handle. Sometimes you want to upgrade them, or if they are loose or broken, then I'm going to show you how to change it. It's very simple, it's just 2 screws. We'll undo them now. You can use just a hand screwdriver, obviously I'm using my electric one today. There's your 2 screws and your handle comes off, 2 positions. Normally these are spaced the same, so most of them will fit, just depending if you're having a single one or other one, you'll have one hole. So now we'll go back with the obviously the new handle. Put your screw through, wind it slightly on, get your bottom one, looking through, wind it slightly on. Your drill, nice and slowly, we don't want to over tighten it. And there you go, lovely new handle.